If you have a blog site like this and you want to index all your posts very fast, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to index your WordPress website posts very fast. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that we'll simply need to click on what setting. Once you're there, you click on written. It's going to take us to another page. After that, you scroll down and you make sure you read this out. So once you're there, you simply click on what? Update service. After that, it's going to take us to another page. We'll scroll down, so you make sure you read this out. You scroll down and we'll simply copy these links. After copying the links, we'll place it here. After that, we'll click on what? Save changes. So guys, you make sure after doing this, you update your sitemap. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to submit your sitemap using Yoast SEO to Google Search Console, or how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.